guys, I'm Kris.
I'm Cassie, and welcome to our channel. If you're new, we're really happy you're here. Please take a moment and listen to our channel, follow us. We would love to have you as part of our little family. And
give us a thumbs up, it really helps us out. And then go right on over to the subscribe button, hit it, and then ding the bell, and then that's it. That's all.
That's all, folks.
And for that, you get two, what did you call us?
Crazy, goofy people.
No, what did you call us? It was nut jobs. That was it.
Goofy boofies.
Okay, you guys, if you notice that my eyes up here look like there's actual stuff on them.
She got ace butane.
I tried it. I wanted to try out this. I don't know if you can see
It
it.
is orange. It's peach, I tell you, peach.
This is not my color. I don't think it's gonna be her color either.
She put a ton on. You just
No, I didn't.
She was like, ooh. Kris.
Do you want to try it?
I'll try it tomorrow.
I mean, she's like, Kris, no, take it off immediately. And I'm like, can't do it.
I'm going to be doing my beautiful friend Becca gave this to me, and I'm going to be doing this today. I don't know how y'all felt, but I really liked my look yesterday, and I'm not being conceited, but I really did. I got hit on at a grocery store by a guy, and he even told me he loved me and hugged me.
And you said,
I don't love you and I don't know who you are.
What did he look like?
yeah, what did he
He
look
was,
like?
he had hair, he was really sweet and everything. I'd talked to him one other time.
Oh, so you someone.
So I had talked to him previously one time at the register. Very sweet person. He owns 2 gas stations, one in 1961 in Conroe, and his sons live with them. And
Well,
that's all I really know about him.
Actually, that's not even what Mom asked.
What'd you ask?
What does he look like?
Oh, I'm sorry. Man, he's a little bit taller than me. Dark hair, but I think he's kind of bald on the front, which I don't like bald-headed guys at all. I'm not into bald-headed people. Huh?
How old is he?
I want to say he's probably my age or maybe a little bit younger. Probably in his late 50s is what I think.
Oh my
Probably.
gosh! No, how they got me.
Who?
One of those sex things.
Oh no.
It just said.
Okay, well, I'm going on to my eyeshadow.
Well, wait a minute.
I'm getting hopping because I'm hungry.
Okay, I forgot. I have an unboxing to do too.
What?
Yeah.
What?
I'm doing Colourpop Sweet Nothings from Kathy because I forgot to bring anything.
It's okay.
Okay.
Ooh, that's pretty. I think, I don't know. All these are as numbered, so this is number, hang on, number 5. But to me it looks like peach.
Well, dang it. Where is it? Okay.
Oh, and I forgot to say the name of this palette is Revelation. It's Revolution Reloaded Neutrals number 3. That's the name of it.
Okay. You know this this lovely primer that I'm so loving.
That's funny. That's Jennifer's loud phone.
Well,
Well, she turned it down a little bit. She doesn't, I don't know, maybe she's having a hard time hearing. I'm not sure.
what was that? Thought I heard something.
Oh, did it?
It's not. Oh my gosh! I'm trying to put this color out of luck, and
No, that one, no, you have to use your finger with that one. That won't come off that way.
no, it's coming off, but
No, you don't understand. Look, it comes on your finger. Where do you want it? No,
nowhere.
She won't let me.
Okay, I'll
You're
try.
cute. You're super cute. Did it work better, hon?
Well, I'm trying.
Yeah. There you go.
I'm trying to get this to so I can tone down
Oh, okay, I
this,
got you.
this color and
Yeah, I understand.
no.
I'm trying
Okay.
to think what you sound like when you do your famous no. I'm like, what does she sound like when she does that?
I don't know.
She sounds like herself.
Yup.
There you go.
Okay, I'm trying. I'm trying. This kind of defeats the purpose, however.
Yeah, I agree with you. What's the point in using it if you're going to have to add a chunk load of stuff just
Yeah,
to...
I just...
Yeah, I agree.
What?
Oh, I'm just looking at this. I don't think that I put enough concealer on my eyelids today because I noticed my eyeshadow's really not showing up very much.
What you want to do before you do anything drastic is check yourself in the natural light because it might be showing up and you just...
Oh, that's true. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's going to come off in an hour anyways. I don't normally keep it on for very long. It's so late in the evening. Once I eat my dinner and I have fun with Mom, it'll go bye-bye.
I hate eating hair.
I know.
Ugh. Okay.
Mine is usually at nighttime when I'm laying in my bed, because I'm a head cover, okay? I'm a side sleeper head cover, so I cover my head, and then I'll have my mouth out, and that's it. That's when I have a problem with eating hair.
Well, last night it was
Is
like...
your little,
Deer is in her house?
No, the mouse.
Oh,
I want to see him.
You wanna
He's
go
super
over there
cute.
Right now and see him?
he's a little cutie.
How do you get over there?
You just walked over there.
Because I don't want to go over the grass, it's wet.
I
Um,
think the grass is wet. But
I don't know. That's the other thing. They told John to not wear his shoes when they're wet anymore because he's got that thing that I was worried was a bite. It's actually skin.
It's feeling.
Yes, and the skin, the whole thing down the side of his foot is peeling, and the doctor said, don't wear wet shoes.
but he doesn't have any shoes.
Yes, he does. He has another pair. Kathy, you spend more time worrying about my kids when
No,
you...
I do not. I just said one comment because I know he doesn't have any shoes. That's why I said it.
He does have shoes.
Okay.
What size does he wear?
15.
15.
Yeah.
Okay.
Big foot.
Big boy shoes.
Yeah.
remember you used to get their shoes for
Yeah.
Jake and John?
At Academy, and
Yeah.
we would always have to like look way up because Jake is a 14 and John is a
I thought
15.
y'all had the special order then.
No, that's if he grew above 15,
Oh, okay.
and then you do. And we were worried because his shoes were like almost $100.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
I wish I would have known that because they had a really nice pair of tennis shoes at the thrift store, and they were brand new, and they were a size 14 or 15, and it was for like $15 or maybe it was 20. I don't know. It wasn't very much though. People donate good things there. I mean, I've racked up on. You just have to be there at the right time, and that's the problem. And usually the right time is when I'm.
Well, Grandma, I
Don't
don't,
have any
think
money.
the grass is wet. Because I have to walk over to your house every day. So
Yeah,
these are the shoes I walked in.
that I have white.
Yeah.
Just tomorrow,
If
maybe.
you're worried about that, tomorrow we could find your rain boots and you could walk over there in your rain boots
That's an idea.
because then nothing would get on
Well,
the
my
road.
rain boots got all dirty.
Hmm.
You rain. What was that
Or
for?
any kind of boot.
Walking across dirty roads and.
Well, then that means it's okay if they're dirty. Then it doesn't matter. It won't ruin them.
I don't want it to be dirty.
She doesn't want to go tonight, guys.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So,
Okay, well, if you end up wanting to do that anytime this week,
well, I'll do it.
we could
sometime.
use rubber boots.
Well, I have those,
Mm-hmm.
but your foot and mine are not the same.
She wears a 7.5.
I don't need
Eight.
the rubber boots. I'll just wear my shoes.
Well, I can't get weight because.
Well, she understands, Mama.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
understand.
Yeah.
Or, you know, the other thing was you brought the mouse over here once.
No, I didn't. But I could.
It was on the day you were going to go to the vet.
Oh.
Oh, did I?
Yes.
I don't remember.
That's the only time I've ever seen it.
Well,
She calls him Bubba.
Ah, Bubba.
what I could do is before I'm gonna be sitting with you, I could bring him in his little top carrier so that you could see him and then bring him back home. It's just he gets really nervous when I do
can't
that
imagine.
because he's so little and it makes him nervous. That's why.
It's amazing to me that he's able to survive.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I spoil him. I spoil him. I talk to him every day.
Yeah.
And I try to give him a seed, a treat. I need to clean his cage again because I think it should be cleaned like every 3 days instead of like once a week.
Oh.
So that he doesn't
Yeah, that's true,
have
Jenny.
poop and pee everywhere.
That's very true.
You know, because that's his home, so he has to,
And he lives in it, so yeah, that's true.
yeah.
I wouldn't want to be sitting in it, but he is a mouse, you know. In all fairness, they're used to living in unclean environments.
But he's a spoiled mouse.
He's a
I wanted to try this. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. And you know, I think we may have gotten some small ones of these later. Or, you know, before in Boxy Lex, but I'm not sure. This one is freaking huge. I don't know if you can see it. So, I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. And now that I've got it, I'm like, I gotta see if it's the same as the one I have at home. And lastly, I got the new Huda Beauty. This is, just came out. I'm surprised I was able to get it. I thought it would be sold out. But no, it wasn't so. Angie, I think you're the one that asked me if I'd heard of the rose quartz. I have, obviously, but I forgot, you know, just like everything else. Okay, this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. Yeah, so anyway, that's it, guys. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, we will see you on the next one. Stay safe. Be good. All right, bye-bye.